Bone china begins as a raw mixture of minerals, earth, and animal bone ash.
The defining ingredient. Bone ash gives the ceramic its signature translucency.
Precision blending. These components are whipped into a perfectly smooth liquid slip.
Filtration, removing impurities to ensure a flawless white body. Constant movement prevents settling and maintains a uniform viscosity. The casting process. Pouring the liquid into highly absorbent plaster molds. Moisture extraction. The plaster, thirsty for water, solidifies the outer wall.
Achieving the perfect wall thickness through precise timing.
Initial shaping. The centrifugal force and manual trimming establish the profile.
The unveiling. The raw, fragile form begins to take shape.
Careful refinement. Every edge is polished while the clay is still leather hard.
Controlled dehydration, preventing structural stress before the first firing.
Precision monitoring. Drying must be slow and uniform to avoid warping.
The first heat, preparing for the crucial biscuit firing process. The biscuit kiln, heating to 1200 degrees Celsius to harden the clay. Total transformation. The clay undergoes a permanent chemical change. Controlled cooling. The piece is now a porous, solid biscuit.
Glazing. A glass-like coating is applied for protection and shine.
Gravity ensures a perfectly even layer of vitreous material. Precision cleaning. A clean base is essential for a clean firing.
Preparing the glaze for the final, high-temperature vitrification. The glossed firing. The final test of endurance in the flames.
Intense heat turns the glaze into a brilliant, transparent, protective shell. The firing cycle completes. The bone china is now fully vitrified. Gentle handling. These pieces are as hard as stone, yet delicate as eggs.
Testing translucency. A quality hallmark of true bone china.
The light shines through, proving the quality of the bone ash blend.
Weight verification. Maintaining strict standards for consistency. Printing decals. Complex designs are prepared with ceramic pigments.
Precision alignment. Decals must be positioned with perfect symmetry.
Ensuring a seamless bond between the ink and the glaze.
Fixing the design. The pigment fuses into the glaze permanently.
Final fusion. The colors become part of the material itself.
The final shine. Enhancing the beauty for the end user.
Automated scanning. Any blemish is caught by high-speed sensors. Human expert review, ensuring the highest standard of craftsmanship.
Protecting the masterpiece. Every layer is chosen for delicate care.
The journey ends here, ready for a lifetime of use.
Bone china, a marriage of mineral, fire, and a non-binary South Asian artisan's ingenuity.
Light dances through the fine porcelain structure.
The unmistakable resonance of high-quality porcelain.
Ready to grace the tables of the world. Where science meets artistry in every piece produced.
A mark of authenticity and tradition.
Tracking the heat, tracking the quality.
Pure, clean, and eternally elegant.
Efficiency meets tradition.
Science is the bedrock of beautiful form.
Care for the tools ensures care for the product. Constant flow for a flawless finish.
The middle stage of the porcelain odyssey. Warming up for the final transformation.
Total control over every degree.
A mirror finish created by intense fire.
Adding the final touch of opulence.
Hand-applied artistry.
Sealing the precious metal for eternity.
Perfection in every millimeter.
Removing every speck of dust before packaging.
The final collection of beauty. No margin for error. Order and precision define the final steps.
Sustainability is at the heart of our craft.
Traceability for every piece.
Technology ensures speed and safety.
Ready for its journey across the globe. Leaving the factory for the world stage.
Strength hidden in delicacy.
Porcelain that captures the essence of light. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Behind every piece is human dedication. Always innovating for better strength and clarity.
Nothing is wasted. Everything is part of the process.
The mold is the mother of the porcelain form.
Filling the form with liquid potential.
Defining the shape with precision.
Patience is the secret ingredient.
The fire is the forge of perfection. Pure, white, and ready.
Transferring art onto ceramic.
Smooth, perfect application.
The final transformation. Art blooming on porcelain. The standard is nothing less than perfection.
Beauty. Ready for the world. Only the best will pass. A gift of fire and earth. The fire inside never sleeps.
Starting right is finishing right.
The lifeblood of our craft.
Simple minerals, extraordinary results.
Smoothness you can feel. Quality you can see.
Elegance for your home. The essence of bone china.
Crafted by fire, refined by time.